Is going to be overhead, and you will see a bunch of streamers be deployed from behind the aircraft. This is so the jump master on board the aircraft and our SkyHawks here on the ground can determine what exactly the winds are doing. We didn't get the SkyHawks performance in yesterday because we had blistering winds out of the north that were in excess of 30 knots.
Les rubans, et là on va tout simplement déterminer à quel endroit l'avion devra être pour faire le lacage.
Terrible wind that we had here. We got most of the rest of the flying done. All right, folks, I think we have jumpers away. They are going to be free fall.
Et il y aura un troisième.
We have one more jumper that's going to free fall down a little bit more. Now we've got 4 good shoots.
Pourquoi sauter d'un appareil qui fonctionne merveilleusement bien? Je n'ai jamais trouvé la réponse à la question.
Why don't you introduce to us the first few SkyHawks that are outside the aircraft now?
Yes, the first SkyHawk who has successfully exited the Skyvan is Corporal Jennifer Hart, an operator with the Canadian Special Operations Forces Command.
All right. Now they're going to very gently float down closer to the ground, and in just a couple of moments we're going to see the first jumper unfurl Old Glory, the flag of the United States of America. Friends from south of the border, here is the Star-Spangled Banner. Let's cheer in our first jumper as they enter the drop landing zone here, folks. They can hear you up there, even though it's a little bit breezy. What a great way to get our air show underway. We're not done yet with our official ceremony. And now we've got the first jumper safely back on the ground. Our two jumpers that converge to a line that kind of keep one on top of the other. This is another display of the vital information, which is the building block of all canopy related word formation. Okay, so they're adjusting their formation. The top jumper has climbed down the lines of the bottom jumper's canopy, and they're gripping
we call the paramedic grip. Cette manœuvre exige une force énorme, mesdames et messieurs, parce qu'ils parviennent uniquement à maintenir leurs pieds de jambes grâce à leur force musculaire. En d'autres mots, il n'y a pas de corps ni de sangle tournant la force physique et le travail d'équipe. Et bien sûr, ils doivent avoir les mérites pour manœuvrer les parachutes. Et voilà, c'est parti, mesdames et messieurs. Ladies and gentlemen, look up for your paramedics formation. This is a barrel roll. It's what it was a pinwheel. So they try to execute as many maneuvers as possible before they run out of altitude. Ils tentent d'exécuter le plus de manœuvres possible avant de manquer d'altitude. Soit un barrel roll, un pinwheel ou un butterfly. Et voilà, mesdames et messieurs, finally going down to the downlink. Ils vont atterrir, mesdames et messieurs, veuillez les accueillir, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for your paramedic formation. Master Corporal Kimball Grondin and Corporal Tyler Evans. Master Corporal Kimball Grondin is a big brass long ago deployed their canopies. You're seeing that right, ladies and gentlemen. The church tag Master Corporal Gallen is completely upside down. As you can imagine, this formation needs to maintain a significant force speed to ensure that upside down canopy remains inflated. Okay, the warrant officer, the mess has left the formation. The two others are diving to the ground at 60 km. They've just exploded a fire. Round of applause as they then put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for your three-stack transformation. Come on, everybody. The one who is in the middle of the three-stack, the local person, Corporal Hugo Smith, an infantry soldier posted to the 3e bataillon, voyage de régiment by quartier. Whoa, what a great forward landing, Hugo! Remember, when completely upside down, Master Corporal Sanders, the pilot of the formation, warrant officer, he takes the left and infantry soldier from Charny, Quebec, and the second in command from the 2022 SkyHawks team. Over the years, we've heard lots of positive reviews of this colorful demonstration. So it is back this year, we call it the Candy Cane. This maneuver is difficult since the parachutist tries to circle around as many times as possible before the smoke canisters end. During each demonstration, Master Corporal Smith will try to beat a personal best, which is 10 for now. Wow! 4, God! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, ladies and gentlemen. As the smoke fade away, Master Corporal is preparing to land. Master Corporal Jonathan Blais is a medical assistant at the 55e ambulance de campagne in Quebec, and he's also a nurse practitioner in civilian life. So if you're anywhere near, please be sure to remain clear of the canisters as they are still hot from the smoke. Si vous êtes prêts, restez à l'extérieur du circuit si les gens qui sont encore chauds. What a nice landing, Joe! I was quickly going into the tighter version of the KDNC formation. The very first formation we saw in today's demonstration. We call this one the cut press. So as we see that smoke canister engaged, now we're jumpers that stand their canopies into half circles that we call the try-by-side. Our jumpers, our demonstrators are diving the formation straight toward the ground in a try-down plane. Woohoo! Look at that! Explosive break! Ladies and gentlemen, Officers of the forces of the Italian Royal Division of Québec, de l'entreprise de Maximum Park, huge men, posted to the Canadian Army at that border of President Clinton. Ladies and gentlemen, the team comes forward to a first SkyHawks salute.